The radiance of the morning sun brings with it generous reserves of infinite energy.
हमारे सोसाइटी में खुशी की बात है, हम लोग सब इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, त्योहार बनाते।
Considering the depleting reserves of energy resources, we wanted to create a model that is long-term, efficient and sustainable solution to conserve energy.
A solar power plant, as you know, is a long-term asset. Finding the right technology partner who would support us with warranties across this long life of the project was a concern. And after very careful consideration on the merits, we selected Havells India.
What the society needed was a personalized solid solution due to the high raise 23 floors and strong winds coming from the seaside. To overcome these challenges, we were able to provide the right mixture of solid structure backed with all the fundamental calculations.
For this project, Havells has supplied all the major components right from solar panels, inverters, optimizers, ACDB, DCDB. This has given customer a unique confidence that all their after-sales issues and service-related issues will be taken care and handled by Havells for 25 years of lifespan.
At 200 kilowatts, I believe that for a residential society, this is one of the largest rooftop grid-tied solar plant in the city of Mumbai, if not in the state of Maharashtra.
We have supplied a unique DC optimizer solar edge solution for this project, which helps to maximize output from each and every panel and also helps to identify generation of each and every panel. This helps in identifying faults at a panel level and also reduces the service downtime. DC optimizers actually helps in generating 3 to 5% of more energy as compared to conventional system available in the market. This helps in faster payback on customers in the investment and also helps in generating more revenues and have better savings as compared to conventional systems.
I'm very happy with the system installed in our society. We produce about 800 to 1000 units per day and we save about 4.25 lakhs per month and 30 lakhs over the period of 7 months. We could also save 55 tons of CO2 emission because of the system installed in our society.
2015 में हमने कमेटी स्थापन करने के बाद हमने एक सपना देखा था कि सोलर सिस्टम का यूज करने का। उसके लिए हमें हैवेल्स इन कंपनी ने जो सहारा दिया, उसकी वजह से हमने आज ये सपना हमारा पूरा कर दिया।
A proud moment for us was when Hindustan Times published a detailed article about this project in their newspaper.
After all, there is nothing better than being witness to living the best moments in life, knowing that you are not taking away from the natural reserves, but rather adding life to your dreams with a green and sustainable future.